Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an air fryer. First, carefully unpack your new air fryer and remove all internal and external packaging. Before its initial use, wash the basket and tray thoroughly with warm, soapy water. Next, find a stable, heat-resistant surface for your appliance, ensuring adequate space around it. Finally, plug the air fryer into a grounded electrical outlet, and you are ready for the next step. Preheating is a crucial step for achieving perfectly crispy results. Allow your air fryer to preheat for about 3 to 5 minutes at the recommended temperature for your recipe. When loading food, remember not to overcrowd the basket. Overfilling can lead to uneven cooking and less crispy outcomes. Always arrange your food in a single layer to allow hot air to circulate freely around each piece. During the cooking process, follow your recipe's suggested times, but always check on your food. For many items, especially smaller ones like fries or wings, shaking the basket halfway through cooking is essential. This ensures even browning and crispiness on all sides. Always use a meat thermometer for proteins to confirm they reach safe internal temperatures. Feel free to adjust cooking time or temperature slightly for your preferred level of doneness. After enjoying your delicious air-fried meal, proper cleaning is simple. First, always unplug the appliance and let it cool down completely before handling. The basket and tray are typically dishwasher safe or can be easily washed by hand with warm, soapy water. For the exterior, a damp cloth is all you need. Never immerse the main unit in water. Finally, store your clean air fryer in a dry, safe spot, ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.